Is it possible that the scorching, acidic planet of Venus is a cradle for alien life forms? This question may seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it's a query that has perplexed researchers for quite some time. Today, we delve into the fascinating yet contrasting perspectives of two esteemed scientists on this very topic. Dr. Michelle Thaler, a research scientist at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, has proposed a theory that, if true, could shake our understanding of life in our solar system. According to her, the hottest planet in our system, Venus, might not be as inhospitable as we think. Dr. Thaler suggests that the dense carbon dioxide-filled atmosphere of Venus shows signs that could only be produced if bacteria resided on the planet. Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and structure, is a world of extremes, with surface temperatures soaring above 475 degrees Celsius and an atmosphere filled with clouds of acid. It's hard to imagine anything surviving there. Yet, Dr. Thaler believes that these very conditions, which render human life impossible, could be hiding signs of alien life. Dr. Thaler's unconventional claims are based on the premise that life, as we know it, isn't the only form of life that can exist. She posits that there might be organisms that thrive in environments we consider hostile, and Venus, with its hellish landscape, might just be teeming with such life forms. However, as with any groundbreaking theory, there are skeptics. Not all scientists share Dr. Thaler's optimism about the prospects of life on Venus. Among them is Professor Dominic Papineau, an astrobiologist at the University College of London, who has expressed his doubts about Dr. Thaler's theory. While Dr. Thaler's claims paint an intriguing picture of possible life on Venus, not all scientists share her optimism. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our solar system, the question remains: is the possibility of life on Venus a reality or mere speculation? Only time and further research will tell. Enter Professor Dominic Papineau, an astrobiologist with a different take on the subject. While Dr. Thaler's theory of possible life on Venus has stirred up quite a buzz, not everyone is on board with this unconventional idea. Professor Papineau, a renowned astrobiologist from the University College of London, has expressed his skepticism. His main bone of contention: the harsh conditions on Venus. The planet is shrouded in dense clouds of acid, and the surface temperature surpasses 475 degrees Celsius or 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Not exactly what you'd call a hospitable environment for life as we know it. The professor argues that for life-related chemical reactions to occur, liquid water is a prerequisite. Venus, however, seems to lack this vital ingredient. Instead, the planet's atmosphere is chock full of carbon dioxide. This, according to Professor Papineau, makes it highly unlikely for life to exist there. But the absence of water isn't the only hurdle. Venus also grapples with widespread volcanism. Most of the planet's surface appears to have been covered by volcanic activity for the past 100 million years. This, too, doesn't bode well for the possibility of life. Despite these doubts, the professor isn't entirely dismissive of the idea of extraterrestrial life. He just believes we might be looking in the wrong place. According to him, there are other sites within our own solar system that could potentially harbor life. So, where exactly should we be looking? Mars and the icy moons that orbit our planets, says Professor Papineau. He suggests that these locations, with their ice deposits and geological records indicating the presence of life-sustaining liquids in the past, offer a higher probability of hosting extraterrestrial life than Venus does. In this grand cosmic lottery, it seems Venus might not be the winning ticket after all. According to Professor Papineau, there are places within our own solar system that present a higher probability of hosting extraterrestrial life. Despite their differing views on Venus, both Dr. Thaler and Professor Papineau agree on one thing. They concur that the icy moons within our solar system could harbor microbial life. Now, this is an intriguing possibility, isn't it? These icy moons, like Jupiter's Europa and Saturn's Enceladus are not just barren frozen landscapes, but rather they are dynamic worlds with vast oceans beneath their icy crusts. These subterranean oceans could provide the perfect conditions for life to thrive, just as it does in the deep, dark depths of Earth's oceans. The scientists' shared belief in life on icy moons is not just based on the presence of water. They also consider the geothermal activity observed on these moons. This activity could generate the necessary heat and nutrients, setting the stage for life to emerge and evolve. It's like having all the ingredients for a cosmic soup of life. Interestingly, NASA has already planned missions to these icy moons. The Europa Clipper and the Dragonfly mission to Titan are set to launch in the next decade. They will delve into the mysteries of these frozen worlds, searching for signs of life hidden beneath the ice. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of our universe, we must remember that life, as we know it, may exist in the most unexpected places. Could these icy moons be the real frontier in our search for extraterrestrial life? Indeed, only time and science will tell. In the debate over life on Venus, there are more questions than answers. Our journey into the unknown has led us to consider the possibility of life on our solar system's hottest planet, Venus, despite its inhospitable conditions. Dr. Michelle Thaler, a research scientist at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, has proposed a theory that life may be hiding somewhere on the cloudy, acid-ridden planet, suggesting that the carbon dioxide-filled atmosphere of Venus may be home to alien life. This unconventional claim has been met with skepticism, particularly from Professor Dominic Papineau, an astrobiologist at the University College of London. He argues that for life-related chemical reactions to occur, liquid water is essential, a resource that Venus severely lacks. He also points out the widespread volcanism on Venus, which presents a significant challenge to the survival of any potential life. Despite their differing views on Venus, there is a common ground where both Dr. Thaler and Professor Papineau agree: the potential for life on icy moons within our solar system. They believe that these moons, of which NASA says we have 290, not including 464 small asteroids and minor planets, could be hospitable to microbial life. Whether Venus is a host to alien life remains a mystery, a puzzle that scientists continue to unravel in their quest to understand our universe.